Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy a Fundednext account with Trust Wallet. First, open your browser and go to the official Fundednext website. Then, log into your account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Next, navigate to the Get Funded or Pricing section. After that, choose your account size. Fundednext typically offers accounts ranging from $25,000, $50,000, $100,000, $150,000 to $200,000. Now, at checkout, select crypto or USDT as your payment method. Fundednext usually supported ERC20, the Ethereum network, or TRC20, the Tron network. Double check the network carefully because sending the wrong network can result in loss of funds. Next, open your Trust Wallet app. Make sure you have enough USDT to cover the account costs plus any small network fees. Then, tap Send and paste the wallet address provided by Fundednext. Select the correct network, either ERC20 or TRC20, enter the exact amount of USDT and confirm the transaction. After that, wait for the blockchain confirmation, which usually takes a few minutes. Once the transaction is confirmed, Fundednext will automatically credit your account. You will also receive an email confirmation containing your account login credentials, trading rules, and server information for MT5 or MT4. Before you start trading, make sure you follow the account rules. The profit target is typically 10%, the maximum daily loss is usually 2%, and the maximum total drawdown is usually 4%. Minimum trading days may apply, and there may be instrument and leverage restrictions. Breaking any of these rules can result in instant account failure. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.